Hello, welcome to ECBSC online classes. Let's learn about segment of a circle. Let us consider a circle of radius r centered at O as shown and mark points A, B, C and D on the circle. Let's draw line AC as shown here. Please note that a line joining any 2 points on a circle is called a chord. It means that line AC is a chord. As you see here, the chord divides the circle into two segments. The one in red color is called segment ABC and the other segment is called segment CDA. Since area of segment ABC is less than area of semicircle, we call segment ABC a minor segment. The other segment is called a major segment. Please note that. Let us consider the segment ABC shown here. Now the question is, what is its area? Let's draw lines OA and OC as shown here. They're making an angle equal to theta at the center of the circle. The colored region, as you see here, is a combination of triangle and a segment, right? And it is also called a sector. It is sector OABC. From this figure, you can say that area of sector OABC equal to area of triangle AOC plus area of segment ABC, right? Let's rearrange this equation to write area of segment as area of sector OABC minus area of triangle AOC. We know that area of sector OABC is defined as theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r square, where r is radius of the circle. And area of triangle is defined as r square sine theta by 2 times cos theta by 2. If you want to understand the derivation of this equation, you can refer to our video. I'll share the link in the discussion below. So when you put these two equations together into the previous equation, then you can define area of segment as theta by 360 degrees times pi r square minus r square sine theta by 2 times cos theta by 2. Let us consider a special case, that is segment MNP. Here, as you see, the angle made is 90 degrees. And we know that area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of triangle. And area of sector is theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r square. And theta, we know it is 90 degrees. When you substitute 90 degrees for theta and simplify, you get area of sector equal to 1 by 4 times pi r square. And area of triangle is half base times height. In this particular case, base equal to radius of the circle and height is also equal to radius of the circle. So area of triangle is going to be half r square. So let's substitute these two into previous equation. So that area of segment MNP can be written as 1 by 4 times pi r square minus half r square. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel ECBSC online classes on YouTube and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.